Transferring Verizon eSIM to new phone. Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today you are going to learn how to transfer Verizon eSIM to your new phone. So let's get started. First, connect both your old and new phones to Wi-Fi. Then open the My Verizon application and go to your account. Then manage devices and select activate or switch device. Then follow the on-screen prompts to transfer your eSIM. If both phones are nearby and using the same iCloud account, follow the setup instructions to transfer the eSIM directly during the new phone setup. This is for iPhone users. You can also manually transfer using QR code. If needed, contact Verizon to get a QR code for eSIM activation. You can also check the My Verizon application for this option. If there are any more issues, or troubleshoot issues, then restart your phones if activation fails. Then wait a few hours and try again. For persistent problem, visit a Verizon store or contact Verizon support. And that's all. That's how you will be able to transfer Verizon eSIM to your new phone.